Tired of high shipping costs eating into your rep budget? Let's unlock the secret weapon Pandabuy points. First, tap on your profile icon located in the bottom right corner of the Pandabuy app. This will take you to your account overview. Here, you'll see your available Pandabuy points displayed. These points are usually earned through purchases, completing tasks, or participating in promotions on the platform. Once you've submitted your items to the warehouse, you can proceed to checkout. Now, carefully select your preferred shipping line and any desired value-added services. Keep in mind that factors like weight, volume, and destination will influence the shipping cost. During the payment stage, you will see a discount option. Tap on the Use Points slider to activate it. You'll instantly see your available points converted into a currency discount, which will be applied to your total cost, making shipping more affordable. See that difference? Every point counts. It's like getting free money towards your shipping. To constantly earn more points, be on the lookout for point earning tasks and promotions on Pandabuy to keep reducing shipping costs. Make sure to use the Pandabuy and the shipping hashtags if this helped.